Hi, this is Brad with Total Upkeep, and today I wanted to take a look at a forum question, and it's from Aerobus, and I'm helping Aerobus troubleshoot, and where we're at now is that he has restored the backup, and it says successful, but when he visits the home page, it doesn't look like the backup has been restored. So in this case, what we want to do is we want to look at the restoration log. It'll have more information about the restoration, and if anything funny happened, we should be able to see it in there. Now, normally, you would go to Tools and then Logs, and let me zoom in, and you'll see a Restore log, and you'll be able to click that to get information about the restoration to see what happened. But the problem is when you restore from a different site, these log files, they become lost. They get kind of reset. So again, if you're on like a cloud demo site, for example, and you transfer it to a totally different URL, you're going to lose the log files. So this is a known bug, and we've got a GitHub ticket open. So we're going to get this resolved. I think it's pretty easy. But in the meantime, I wanted to show you if you need to look at the log files and you're restoring from one domain to another, you're going to have a problem because the log files are going to be lost. So what you'll need to do, and this is pretty simple, just go to your pre-flight check, and it'll tell you what your backup directory is. And when you have that, go to your file manager and check out the backup directory. Now, the logs folder right here, this is where we want to look. Now, a new log folder is being created, and that's the problem. But what you'll need to do is find the logs folder that actually has the restore log in it. And if it's not in the first one, then go to maybe the second one. So this one's empty. But basically, find the logs folder that's got a restore, and you can view or edit that, and that'll have the information. So I hope this isn't too tricky, but there's a minor bug, and there's a GitHub ticket, and so we're going to get that fixed. But if you have a restoration that doesn't seem like it went through successfully, we'll want to look at the logs. And again, normally you just go to Tools, Logs, and find it, and click on it. But if you're moving from one domain to the other, there's a bug that's going to cause that log file to kind of not show up in your dashboard. So just find it in your file manager. Just find that Bulgard backup folder, and then it's going to be in one of these logs directories. Go into one, find the restore. It's got the timestamp. So I'm sorry for being long-winded, but at Eurobus, if you could, because it doesn't look like the restoration worked, can you try to find that restore log file and share that with us? So hope that helps. Thanks again.